All right, we're live. What's going on? Who's here? All right, good. Can you guys see that good? More lighting, or is that good? Can you hear me? Nice, there we go. What's up, Malaya? Welcome. How can you guys see that all right? All right, good. Ramon, what's up, buddy? Well, tell Alba it's 12:05 and she's going to get a lesson on dilations right now. Nice. Make sure everyone has a notebook. Do a lot of copying today. Should be an easy lesson, so we'll go quick. 25 minutes max. Catherine, no. Tatiana, you woke me up again. You guys are funny. It's great, though. No talking. Class is nice and quiet today. No one's asking to go to the bathroom. Nathan doesn't want to come join? JL. You guys, it's 12:06. It's insane. JL, where's Josiah? I tried calling him, but numbers don't work. He should be here. All right, wait another like 2 minutes, then we'll go. That's early. All right, another 2 minutes, and we'll get going. Nice, 14 people. Let's go. I don't get why there isn't like 50, 60 people here. You guys are the kings and queens of social media. From Alba. Is the school year over? No, as of right now, it's over until April 1st. That says scale factor, yes. But who knows? Who knows how long we're gonna be off for? So that's why I started this. I also started a website, guys. So if you, I'll send the link. I sent it on Remind. So I made a website last night, and on there will be the worksheets to everything I write here. You'll go on that website after, and then you'll click the first one, which is scale factor, and you can do that worksheet at home. So hopefully you're able to open it and use those as examples. But I'll teach you the stuff here, and then you'll go onto my website and look at the worksheet and just try to do a couple problems. And remember, guys, today's lesson shouldn't be that bad, but if I'm going fast, you don't understand something, you can always go back to this video on my channel and then rewatch it, and hopefully you're able to figure it out. All right, you guys ready? Let's do it. So we're doing dilations today. Dilation is pretty easy. Happens every day. It's when something gets smaller, bigger. All right. So think about your eye when you wake up in the morning and turn the light on, your eye gets smaller, and when it comes dark, it gets bigger. It's exactly what a dilation is. All right. So the biggest thing, I'll go through this quick to make it as easy as possible. The biggest thing is the scale factor. All right. And what a scale factor does is it either is going to make our figure bigger or smaller. So the scale factor, how you find a scale factor is image divided by pre-image. Obviously, we're going to put numbers in here, but it's image divided by pre-image to find the scale factor. Now, sometimes when it comes to a scale factor, it's already given. So that's what we're kind of going to focus on today. We're not going to so much find a scale factor if I'm given two shapes. I'm going to be giving you the scale factor. I'm going to show you how you make a shape bigger or smaller. So let's start with the basics. The first thing with a scale factor, if it is less than 1, obviously gets smaller. Okay? Greater than 1 gets bigger. All right? So those are the two main things. So if it says right here, so if it's less than 1, if your scale factor is less than 1, and they'll tell you the scale factor unless you have to find it. If it's less than 1, it gets smaller. If that number is greater than 1, your figure is going to get bigger. All right. So very simply today, knowing this, quick example. If I have points, point A, 2, 3, B, 1, 2, C, 0, -3. I have triangle ABC. Got my 3 coordinates. Now, one thing I forgot to mention when it comes to a scale factor, guys, you always multiply the scale factor to all the points. Okay? So there are my 3 pre-image points, right? Whatever the scale factor is, in this case, I'll give it to you. You multiply to all those points, and that will give you your image point. So then A prime, B prime, C prime will come out as we multiply it. So close that door. I'm in my parents' basement right now. So if I say the scale factor is, we have a scale factor of 2. I told you I have a scale factor of 2. Right away, what can you tell me about having a scale factor of 2? This image is going to get bigger, okay? So scale factor of 2, that's bigger than 1. Shape gets bigger. Now, how do you apply it? A prime. Multiply 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. That's it. Graph that new point. B prime. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. That's B prime. And C prime, if you're doing it at home, 0. -3 times 2 is -6. Okay? That's it. All right? Simple. All right? So that's scale factor. Literally, if I'm giving you the scale factor, you take your how many coordinates you might have, because whatever figure you may have, you simply take the scale factor and multiply it to every single point. All right? Simple as that. So far, how we doing? Let me see some feedback. Is it pretty straightforward as of right now? Is there anything else you want me to quickly go over before I move on to the next part of this? I'll write you a general rule too you can follow. So here's the rule. So the rule is XY. And the rule, it's easier. It's good boy, Ramon. That's right. F of X, F of Y. Good. So ready? Here's the rule. F of X, F of Y. And what is F? F being scale factor. That's it. So this just means F times X, F times Y, And what is F? F is scale factor. All right, it's pretty easy. So these are the easy types of problems. Now on that worksheet that you're going to see on my website, once you open it, there's stuff as basic as this. I give you points, you get the points, whatever the scale factor may be, you multiply, just like I did here, multiply a scale factor to every one of these points and get your new image points, all right? It does get difficult when I came up here. Like this is how you find a scale factor, right? So there might be times that this isn't given, right? I give you two shapes. I give you like a triangle, pre-image, and then a bigger shape of the new image, right? How do you find that scale factor? Well, you use this, okay? It's a ratio. And I'll show you that right now so that you guys can understand that. You guys got this down? Let me know, can I change the sheet? How we doing? Tatiana, we good? Who else is here? Ramon's easy. Malaya, it's easy. Diana, good. Diana, good. Kiara, good? Good. All right. And don't worry, guys. I'm going to try to adapt this over time, but kind of just threw this together. Hopefully, leave this over here. Leave that over there if you're still copying. Look at that. Hopefully I get a whiteboard or something. Maybe I get some nice light in here. Be perfect. All right, so we went over this part. This is easy. I give you points. I think everyone should be good with this. If you look on the worksheet, you look for the problems. Given the points, given a scale factor, multiply. Don't freak out if it's a fraction. If you have a calculator at home, use your calculator. But if you have a fraction, right, just multiply the fraction times all the points. It's the same exact thing. It's just going to be a smaller number, okay? Because if it's less than 1, it's going to get smaller, all right? So now, let me put this on the board. So we have A. Let's do some easy ones. Here's A. No prime, sorry. Point A is 1, 2. And then it goes to A prime at 4, 8. A, sorry, I shouldn't be prime. So A to A prime. My point went from 1, 2 to 4, 8. How do you find the scale factor? Now, we're obviously you guys are going to be graphing this a lot, but I'm just going to show you without a graph because I don't have a graph right now. But listen, if it's on a graph, guys, just pull the points, right? Pull the coordinates from each point, and then you could do it just like this. So A to A prime, 1, 2 to 4, 8. Can anyone tell me the scale factor there? So what happens? My points went from 1 to 4 and then 2 to 8. So we got bigger. So the scale factor is clearly going to be a number bigger than 1. Good job, Diana. Liliana, perfect. Yeah, there we go. Good job. How'd you get 4? How'd you guys get 4? Good, Mia. How'd you get 4? Well, you guys saw that 1 times 4 gave me 4. 2 times 4 gave me 8. Or if you go back to what I taught you right here, Lilia, oh, sorry. Lilia, sorry, Alba. So if you looked over here, guys, that's the formula I was talking about. If you take one of the image points and divide it by the pre-image, that will always give you scale factor. Now, don't forget, the image is always the prime. Don't forget that, okay? So what's the image? If I'm doing it over here so I can save paper. So it's going to be 4 divided by 1 is what? 4. Done. There's my scale factor. Simple, all right? Divide. Yeah, exactly, Diana. Good job. Okay? So, yeah, scale factor really isn't that bad. Let me just check to see. Some things on that worksheet that you're going to come across. It's on, a lot of this stuff is on a graph, guys. So if I have a given graph, right, I have triangle. It's going to look like this, right? This is A, B, C, A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay. My pre-image is the smaller triangle, so when it dilated, it got bigger. If this was on a graph, how would you find scale factor? Well, you would choose these points, write the given points down, write the A prime, B prime, C points down, C prime points down, and find scale factor. So even if I gave you this, like you're gonna notice on that worksheet, and hopefully I can get a program where I can pull stuff up on my computer and show you guys right away, kind of like a mirror image. But if it's on a graph, guys, just pull the coordinates out. All right. So it's pretty simple to just figure out what A, B, and C are by just getting the coordinates from the graph. All right. So that will also be on there. And yeah, guys, I mean, that's basically all dilation is. I told you dilation is going to be pretty easy. I think I know the only time what's going to get you guys kind of maybe screwed up a little bit is when it comes to fractions, right? But like I said, don't you have a calculator, and when you multiply by a fraction, most of the time it's going to get smaller. So that's when I say I have like a scale factor of, if I have a scale factor of 1/2, okay? 1/2 is a very easy fraction because it's 0.5. So no, say I take A prime here, which is 4/8. A prime now is going to be what? Half of 4 is 2. Half of 8 is 4. So in this case, I went from A to A prime. It's a reduction. It got smaller, right? So it went to 4. Who's atomic nations? Stop capping. I'm not capping. This is all truth. Everyone has perfect names, and then atomic nations is no idea who that is. Oh man, is that Josiah? Someone Nathan. All right, so that's scale factor. I mean, it's basically it, guys. I mean, pretty easy. This was an easy lesson to kind of do for our first live stream, which was going pretty well. You guys have any questions with this so far? You guys good? Let me know in the comments. Let me pull up to make sure I hit everything. Yeah, Ramon, that's basically it. What's up, Mary Ellis? Yeah, decay is going down. Very good. Yeah, decay goes down. Easy for once. Josiah, what's up? No, we're not done. We got like a couple more minutes to easy. No, Tatiana. Felipe. You guys have plenty. You guys have nothing else going on, so. All right, let me just make sure. Yeah, transformations is, dilations is, like I said, it's definitely going to be an easier topic. Make sure I got everything. So everyone, make sure once we've closed this up, make sure you go to remind, do that, subscribe to this channel, so you got good. Yeah, it's so easy. Yeah, I think we're fine. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty good. One, if you're not on Remind, make sure you join it. I sent the code out. It's on my website, so if you guys don't know a website, I'll type my website right in here. So you guys can click on it, go to the website. My Remind code's there. The worksheets that we'll do, that I'll assign to you guys, will be on the website to make it easy for everyone to pull up. If you could print out the worksheets, fantastic. If you can, just pull them up on your phone or computer and just try to do a couple. All right. So definitely look through that worksheet. Make sure you do some. If you're comfortable with it, great. If not, message me on Remind. Try to figure something out. Then when we come back tomorrow, I will try to explain it more. But like I said, I think this is pretty easy. Also, keep letting people know in our classes. I mean, you guys feel like know everyone. It's hard for me to reach out to everyone. So please you guys are the best way for this to kind of grow, because who knows how long we're going to be here for. It's at least till April 1st. So it's a long time. So please, like I said, keep reaching out to everyone. Let them know to subscribe to Remind so they get all the notifications of when we're doing this. And then they can join the YouTube, and then we'll be kind of getting the ball rolling there. And that's basically it. So that's dilation. That's our scale. That's our first lesson. All right. Pretty easy. Tomorrow we'll do kind of more of this. Hopefully I have like a better setup so we could do more stuff. But I think tomorrow, 12 o'clock again. Is that good for everyone? I mean, it doesn't matter. That's what we're going to do to make it perfect. Tatiana, you're not sleeping. Alba, you'll be fine. Mary Ellis, welcome. Okay, good. So 12 o'clock again tomorrow. You guys have no questions here, which is good. Yeah, so we're at 22 streams, 22 people watching. We could do better. Come on, let's try to get to like 50 by tomorrow. Spread the word for me. Let's get to 50. Let's make this a thing. Good night. So yeah, so please, like I said, guys, reach out to everyone for me. Let them know. Have them subscribe so that we can grow this. And guys, do the worksheet on my website. I'll send it on Remind one more time. You'll go on there. You'll see the website for dilations. Just go through it, do a couple. This was pretty easy. I'll see you guys back tomorrow at 12. I hope everyone's doing all right. Hopefully this can bring us together for a little bit. All right, Felipe, but after you can do the work. But hopefully this kind of bring us all together and kind of give us something to do for a little bit. I'm excited. Miss you guys, and see you tomorrow. Remember, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, however you guys do it. Subscribe. Let's go. This is how we become famous, guys. See ya.